Hi, good morning, children. This is your Lata ma'am. Welcome to our Nirbhaya Digital Learning class. Hi, kids. How are you? I hope you all are safe. Yes. Before going to the topic, you should do warm-up exercise. Be ready, student. Everyone, sit in your place. Sit straight. Close your eyes. Breathe in. Breathe out. 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 Rub your hands. Put on your eyes. And slowly open your eyes. Children, clap your hands. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3. You know now? Clap. Stop. 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 Children, take out your workbook now. Long answer question. Chapter number 10. Money. Long answer question. Yesterday I gave you work for you. Yes. 10.2. See, check once. Gullu went to stationery shop. He brought a pen for rupees 35.30 and a notebook for rupees 43.20. He gave a 100 rupees note to shopkeeper. Okay. What was the total cost of the things he purchased? How much money did he receive back from the shopkeeper? What you have to do? You should add first how much he spent. After that, how much shopkeeper give back to money. That one you should find. As solution. 22nd one. See? Amount spent by what he brought first? Gullu on pen. Yes. How much rupees he spent? Rupees 35.30 paisa. Next, amount spent by Gullu on, what is that? Notebook. Notebook. How much? Rupees 43.20 paisa. Yes. Now what you have to do? Should add. Yes. Amount of the things purchased. How much? Rupees 35.30 plus rupees 43.20. See, 35.30, 43.20, 0, 5, 8, 7. How much? Rupees 78.50 they purchased. Okay. Amount of the things purchased by Gullu, rupees 78.50. Okay. Now amount paid to shopkeeper. paid to how much? Rupees 100. Amount received from the shopkeeper. What you have to do? Should minus. Here plus, next minus. Amount received from the shopkeeper is equal to rupees 100 minus rupees 78.50. You should find S. Now minus you should do 100 minus 78.50. See children, in the 0, in the 0 5 will minus, no, you should take borrow. Here 0 is there, here 0 is there, here 1 is there. You should take from year to year 10, year to year 10, year 9. Yes, year to year 10, year 9. See, in the 10 5 should minus, in the 10 5 should minus 5. 9, in the 9 8 should minus 1, in the 9 7 should minus 2. What is that amount left? Rupees 21.50 left. Okay, therefore Gullu received rupees 21.50 back from the shopkeeper. Right. Children, take out your class work, ma. .3 recall. I will give some sums for you. How to do, you should do. Division, multiplication, do you know, na children? Exercise 10.3 recall. Okay, see, multiplication and division. Multiplication and division. Okay, 32 into 4. See what you have to do? 32 into 4. 4 2s are 8. 4 3s are. See, ones place you should multiply first. Yes, 4 2s are 8. Next, tens place. Ones tens, you know now. 4 threes are 12. What is that answer? 128 is the answer. Next, 48 divided by 3. 3 year, 48 year. S. 3 ones are 3. Minus. In the 4, 3 should minus 1. This one you should take carry down. Okay. Next, up to 18 you should multiply. 3 ones are, tell me, 3 ones are 3, 3 twos are 6, 3 threes are 9, 3 fours are 12, 3 fives are 15, 3 sixes are 18. 3 sixes are 18. Minus you should do. 8 minus 8, 0. 1 minus 1, 0. What is that answer? 16 is the answer. Next, C1. 11 into 6. 11 into 6. 6 ones are 6. 6 ones are 6. What is that answer? 66 is the answer. Next, D1. 20 divided by 2. Yes. 2 divided by 20. Okay. Now, 2 ones are 2. 2 minus 2, 0. This 0 you should take down. 2 zeros are 0. Understood? What is that answer? 10 is the answer. Understood, children? Next. 10 into 6. 10 into 6. 6 zeros are 0. 6 ones are 6. What is that answer? 60 is the answer. Okay. Did you understand, children, how to do? Write in the classwork, ma. I will give some sums for you. You should do that. Okay? See, children? A1. 23 rupees into 2. Okay. What you have to do? 23 into 2. As 2 threes are 6. 2 twos are 4. Okay. What is that answer? 40 rupees 46 is the answer. Okay. Next. Rupees 10 into 3. 10 into 3. 3 zeros are 0. 3 ones are 3. What is that answer? Rupees 30. Understood? Understood, children? Next. See, C1. rupees 21 divided by 7. Rupees 21 divided by 7. See, 7 ones are 7, 7 twos are 14, 7 threes are 21. 7 threes are 21. Minus 0, 1 minus 1, 0. 2 minus 2, 0. What is that answer? Rupees 3 is the answer. Understood, children? What I am doing? Yeah. Next. Rupees 84 divided by 4. Now what you have to do? 84 divided by 4. Yes. 4 twos are 8. 4 twos are 8. 8 minus 8, 0. This 4 you should take down. Okay. 4 ones are 4. 4 minus 4, 0. Now, what is that answer? Rupees 21 is the answer. Okay. Do it. Take out your workbook, ma. Take out your workbook. Multiple choice question. 10.3. 13 into 3. 13 into 3. See? Take out your workbook, everyone. Workbook part. Multiple choice questions. 13 into 3. A1. 13 into 3. 3 3s are 9. 3 1s are 3. What is that option? 39. Where it is? C. Option C is the correct answer. Next. 15 into 6. 15 into 6. 6 5s are 30. 0. 3 here. Yes. 6 ones are 6. 6 plus 3, 9. What is that answer? 90. Where it is 90? B. Option B is the right answer. Next. Third one. 81 divided by 9. Yes. 81 divided by 9. 9 nines are 81. 0 0. 9 is the answer. Where it is 9? Option A. Option A is the correct answer. Okay. Next. Multiple choice question. Rupees 20 into 2. Rupees 20 into 2. Rupees 20 into 2. 2 zeros are 0. 2 3. 2 twos are 4. What is that answer? Rupees 40. Where it is? Option C. Option C is the correct answer. Next. 47 divided by 1. 47 divided by 1. 4 1 4 sorry 1 4s are 4. 0. 1 7s are 7. 0. What is that? 47. Where it is? Option B. Okay. Next. 50 into 3. 50 into 3. 50 rupees into 3. 3 zeros are 0. 3 5s are 15 rupees 150. Where it is? Option B. Understood, children? You should do fill in the blanks, short answer questions. Do now. Do it. Fill in the blanks and short answer questions. Okay. Tomorrow I will check. Is it right or wrong? You should check. See, fill in the blanks, short answer questions and very short answer questions also you should do. Okay children? Long answer questions also you should do. Do it. That is your homework. Fill in the blanks, very short answer questions and long answer questions. Okay? You should do.